My life with Kinako in Japan, from Tokyo to Niigata, my hometown. Every year, people go back to their hometown during Obon season, which is in mid-August. This year, however, I moved the date to a later time in August to avoid peak season, which might cause crowded and close contact activities. A lot of empty seats are found in non-reserved cars, which is unusual. Tunnels can be seen one after another. Since my hometown is located in the mountainside, you pass by mountains with the bullet train. The more you go, the more green you see in the view. Getting off the bullet train, this time I have 2 missions to accomplish in here. First, get and eat jimaki with kinako, the traditional local rice dish made of glutinous rice wrapped in bamboo leaves. This is it. Let's eat later. My other mission, drive. Recently, I got my driver's license. I wanted to drive in the beautiful nature around my hometown. Isn't it beautiful? I was born and raised in such a wonderful nature. I did not realize it when I was little. My dad is sitting next to me, filming and talking. I'm actually telling him how to film while driving. Isn't his work not bad, is it? Lately, my parents accidentally found out that I was on YouTube, though I didn't tell them so. I was embarrassed at first, but now, wow, if that's the case, I want them to work with me. As you can see, lots of Japanese silver grass swaying everywhere. You can literally smell a fall. No words can describe how happy I am in here now. Here it is, heating up the frozen chimaki with the microwave. In original recipe, you cook it by steaming or boiling. This chimaki is not that well known as any other traditional local treats, but it tastes terrific. Removing the rushes and bamboo leaves which carefully and beautifully wrapped the glutinous rice. Catching up with my mom, my dad has got used to filming, as you might notice. Dipping the rice into kinako and sugar mix. Kinako in Niigata has always a lighter color with fine texture. He keeps talking to me, asking the taste of it, how is it, or smile, oh dad. The familiar taste makes me so happy and relaxed. I choke on the powder. This happens to everybody, so never mind. I love kinako made from soybean. Japanese soybean is rich in protein, balanced and great taste. If you ever come to Japan, you'll be amazed to see there are so many high-quality foods or products made from soybean all over Japan. So, I hope to see you all here in Japan very soon.